My dear friends, this is Mantu. I'm going to show you how to install Apache Hadoop single node cluster on your Ubuntu machine. So before starting, I have a request. I have a channel. My channel name is Mantu Kumardeka. If you like my video, please don't forget to subscribe to it. Now come to the point. See, I have Ubuntu Linux installed on my system, and I have IP configuration of 192.168.0.108, and my host name is master. So first of all, you have to modify the host file. So how to do that? You have to go, you have to type sudo gedit etc host, then they will ask you the password. You have to type your password, and then you can modify this host file. This is my system name and this is my IP address. You have to perform this step also. So after that, you have to update the package. I have already updated my package. This is a command for update the package, and after that you have to install the ZDK. So I have already installed the ZDK. Let me show you the ZDK version. Java version, it is 1.7.0. so you have to install this Java also, and then you have to install SSH. So to install SSH, you have to type this command, and then you have to set SSH for passwordless communication. So for that, you have to type this command, and after that you have to type this command. And if you type SSH localhost, then they will not ask you the password. If you type this command, they will ask you the password, and after typing this command and this one, then they will not ask you the password. And I have completed this section also, so you don't need to do that. Let me show you SSH localhost. It is not asking me the password, so you have to do that section. Next point is Hadoop download. This is the link. You can download Apache Hadoop 2.7.4 version. I have already downloaded, and I have saved it on my desktop. So I have already moved it from my desktop to user local Hadoop. So you can also move that Hadoop packages to Hadoop folder on your user local directory. And after that, you have to configure the base archive file. So to do that, this is a command. You have to type this command, or you can copy and paste. Then they will ask you the password. This is the password. After putting the password, you will get this base, and I have a configuration of this base archive, and this is the base archive variable. You have to copy and paste this variable to your base archive file, and you have to paste it here. So then save, then close, and after that you have to run another command. Source base archive, and then yeah, I have done this part also. And then you have to configure these files on your Hadoop folder. So where you will get these, you have to go to your user, then local, then Hadoop, then etc Hadoop, this slave file, yarn-site.xml, core-site.xml, Hadoop env.sh, and then another is sdfs-site.xml, and you have to configure this map.site.xml. And one thing I want to mention, you will not get this file here. You have to copy this template file, then paste here, and you can rename as map.site.xml. And after that, you have to open it with ZDit, and I have all the configuration here. So this is the configuration for core-site.xml. Let me do that. This is the core-site.xml. Then copy and paste. Make sure you have to put your host name. This my host name is master, then so I have to type master here in this section, and after that Hadoop env.sh. so let me complete this sfs.xml. so I have this configuration file here. You have to copy and paste. You have to copy and paste here, then save it, then map website.xml. Map website.xml. It is very simple. You just have to follow my step, then you can easily install. Then tiansite.xml. so this is the configuration for tiansite.xml. just copy and paste tiansite.xml, then save. You have to open this slab file and then you have to type localhost. So I have already typed it, so I'm going to close it. And another file is hadoop env.sh. so there is a Java path. This is my Java path, and I have to copy this path to hadoop env.sh. so manually I will show you where is this location, user lib jvm, then you have to paste this. So I'm going to show you jvm, then you have to paste, you will get this. You have to go to your user, then lib, then you have to type jvm, then if you you have to go to the jvm, then this is the package of jdk. so this is the location, and this is the file name. So you have to type this location on your environment configuration. So after this configuration, you have to type name node format. So let me type it, STFS name node format. So it will take a few time to format the name node. So here it is formatting. It is completed. Yeah, there's a few commands to start Hadoop. One is start dfs.sh and start yarn.sh. Either you can type these commands separately one by one, or start all.sh. so let me do start all.sh. start all.sh. so it is starting. It will take a few minutes, so we have to wait for name node and data node start. Yeah, after typing this JPS command, you can see data node, node manager, resource manager, secondary name node, and name node. All the things are here, so you can say that we have successfully installed Hadoop. So let me go to the browser and let me show the name node. So our IP is 192.168. Then 50070. Then you can see, yeah, that this is the Hadoop, and you can see the live node is 1, and you can see the data node is here. Yeah, and this is the directory. You can browse the directory and these logs also. And this is how you can install Apache Hadoop on your Ubuntu system. Don't worry for these steps. In my video description, I will share all the steps. Hope you like this video. If you like my video, please don't forget to subscribe my channel for more videos. Thank you.